if you are interested in cryptocurrency and want to get more information about cryptocurrency project, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. So today we bring a new amazing airdrop project. Its name is BNB Chain. So guys, before waste your time, I am starting the video guys. This is amazing big project guys. You can join now and see this more detail about this project. Join biggest BNB chain airdrop, the best performing decentralized airdrop ready for massive user access. And as guys, you can check here eligibility. You can click this and see this guys. So first of all, you can connect your wallet. You can connect polling wallet, wallet connect, browser wallet, metamask, coinbase wallet. So I connect metamask wallet. Then you can see these more details. So guys, you can see this is my wallet is connect. You can see this, and next you can see this more detail about this project BNB chain. You can see this what's new at BNB chain. Guys, you can see this BNB chain news, key metrics of BNB chain. You can see this average. You can see the everyday transaction amount, average gas fee, weekly transaction amount. You can check here. You can see this BNB chain, the coming fast finality on BSC. You can see this network effects on Web3 game. You can see this and next you can see this one coming in today 11-minute read. You can see this May 22 4-minute read. You can see this my 19 4-minute read. You can see this. You can click this learn more and see this more detail. So guys, you can see this my wallet is already connected, and next you can see this more detail about this project. Join the BNB chain ecosystem. Get started in 3 steps to dive into the world of BNB chain. Number 1, you can see that you can download a wallet. A wallet helps you connect to BNB chain and manage your funds. So guys, first of all, you can download your wallet. Then you can get BNB. BNB is the currency of BNB chain. You can use it in the app. And next guys, you can check here. You can use RDF. Discover the hottest project on BNB chain. You can find your first DI project. You can see this, and next you can see this build on BNB chain. BNB Smart Chain support the most popular programming language. Guys, you can see this programming language code. You can check here flexible tools and comes with clear and canonical documentation. You can quickly start and deploy your application on a blockchain. Design it with real use in mind. And that guy, you can check here. You can start building now. You can click this and see this. You can start building now. And that guy, you can see this. You can read the document. You can click this and read the document detail. You can, so for guys, first of all, you can connect your wallet. Then you can see this more detail about this project. And now guys, you can check here more detail. Best EVM compatible, the best performing EVM compatible layer, a fully compatible tooling for EVM with up to 35 times of capacity. Next guys, you can check here massive user base, handling the largest daily active user and the highest peak EVM transaction with economical fees. And next guys, you can check here most diversified ACID APIs. Full support on all popular tokens. View the most powerful Binance Bridge, the greatest opportunity for compatibility, strongest ecosystem. Supported by a robust ecosystem of top tier RPC plants, wallets, blockchain exposure, data indices, and sustainable grants. And as guys, you can check here more detail. Don't skip any part of the video, guys. You can watch this video complete. BNB Greenfield, a decentralized data storage system and economy. BNB Greenfield is a decentralized storage infrastructure within the broader BNB chain ecosystem where users and DApps can create, store, and exchange data with full ownership to form a new data economy. Guys, you can click this and learn more detail about this project. You can see this and more detail. And next guys, you can check here developer program. You can click this and see this all developer program. You can check here Zero to Hero Builder series. BNB chain Zero to Hero series is a 6-month online boot camp hackathon incubator program from February to July 2024 3, which will come developer to build tool for massive adoption. You can click this and learn more detail about this project. Zero to Hero Builder series. Next guy, you can see this MVB program, a BNB focused accelerator program between Binance Labs and BNB Chain to incubate project, helping them grow more organically through coaching, grants, and investment and network support. Guys, you can click this and see this, learn more detail about this project MVB program. And that guy, you can check here scale with BNB sidechain. BNB sidechain is an infrastructure introduced to help developers and to the application community to build and run their dedicated blockchain as a focused value system for a massive number of users while still maintaining a close connection with BNB chain. You can see this dedication, a blockchain dedicated to application logic with the independent community governance and economic sustainability. BNB sidechain is a high performance blockchain with high TPS and ultra low gas fee integration project that own a BNB sidechain and also part of the broader BNB chain ecosystem. Spot BNB sidechain is backed by the largest community of users and developers. And that guy, you can check here discover DApps on DApp Bay. Easily navigate relevant DApps, swiftly explore and discover profitable early stage project and effortlessly identify risk DApps on DApp Bay. Guys, you can explore DApp Bay now. You can click this and then you can explore now. And then guys, you can check here more detail about this project, get involved, be part of the community. BNB chain is a global decentralized network with developers, validators, users, holder and the assist. And as guys, you can join this project BNB chain following social media platform Discord, Twitter, YouTube, Telegram, GitHub. And then guys, you can see this explore, build, participate about. You can see this detail about this project BNB chain airdrop. So guys, this website video is finished. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update.